Hi parents! Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Managebac on your phone device. Here you will get the essential things covered to help you use the Managebac app effectively. The app makes things easier for you to access Managebac everywhere and anywhere. Please also remember to update your Managebac app on your device constantly. Now let us start the tutorial. Once you log in with your email address and password, you will get a dashboard similar to the one shown on the screen. First, you will see the current day and date, and it shows whether your child has upcoming events, deadlines, tasks, or online lessons on the present day. If you click on it, you will see if your child has plans based on the month's date. On the top right corner, you will see the three-dot button. By clicking on that button, you will be able to subscribe to your child's calendar to your calendar on your device. Just below, you will see your child's attendance and timetable. Once you click the button, you will see the detailed schedule of your child when attending school. You can also choose any date if you wish to view your child's timetable on a particular date. The next one is the Attendance Excusal button. Here you will also be able to submit an attendance excusal if your child cannot go to school due to personal circumstances. You need to submit information as shown on the screen from the date, duration, and lastly, the reason for your child's excusal. You will also get the Tasks and Deadlines button. This button shows any tasks and deadlines your child currently has in school. If you scroll down just a little bit, you will see the menu section. Here on the menu, you will get Portfolio, Student Profile, Exam Planner, Reports, Classes, SPH LV Parent Desk, and Guides and Handbooks. First, we want you to focus on the SPH LV Parent Desk. If you click on the button, you will see a format like this. There will be 3 sections here. 1. Messages, 2. Calendars, and 3. Files. The Messages tab stores essential messages sent by the school. These messages can be either from the junior school or the senior school. It is based on where your child is, either in junior school, senior school, or even both. You are encouraged to check messages to be informed of the things going on around the school. Next is the Calendar tab. The calendar is specifically for parents, unlike the dashboard calendar that shows your child's calendar. This calendar will notify you of the important dates that you need to know. You will get essential dates such as whole school events like Christmas, Easter, and school theme lunch. Lastly is the Files section. The Files section will consist of essential documents you need to be informed of as parents. We will update these files based on the current academic year. We encourage you to regularly check the SPH LV Parent Desk tab to be informed about important things related to you as a parent and the school. After the Parent Desk, you will see the Portfolio button once you go back to the menu section. The Portfolio allows you to see how many assignments your child has submitted for their respective subjects in the Portfolio tab. This tab lets you see whether your child has submitted their assignments late or on time. Once you go back to the menu section again, you will see that we have a Student Profile button. The Student Profile contains your child's information and even the history of your child's reflections and reports during their time at SPH. Besides the Student's Profile button, you also get the Exam Planner. The Exam Planner consists of information related to your child's exams. For DP students, you will get your child's candidate personal information, the IB exam details, and the subjects and levels that your child chose for the DP program. Moving on to the reports. The report is a crucial button since SPH will constantly update report cards onto Managebac. Here you will see all your child's reports during their study at SPH. The next one is the Classes button. This shows all of your child's classes, and you can explore messages from each class. Usually, the subject teacher will post messages related to the subject. This can vary from assignments, projects, or even important announcements. In addition to that, you can explore each subject by clicking the subject name to see your child's progress on that particular subject. Finally, we get the Guides and Handbooks button. This button shows the guides and policies about your child's curriculum. Feel free to read at your convenience to know more about our curriculum and the school policies. Once you are done exploring the menu section, you can see a notification button below. This is an important button for you to see all of the messages and notifications you get relating to the school. You can customize your notification preferences by clicking this three-dot button. At SPH, we encourage you to tick web notifications, emails, and mobile notifications for the parent desk section. Finally, just beside the notifications button, you will see your account profile button. This button shows you everything related to your account. You can even get more resources on navigating Managebac by clicking the Help and Support button. If you scroll down just a little bit more, you will also be able to find the Log Out button if you want to log out from your account. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you, and we hope this helps you navigate your way on Managebac.